Good morning to our students in Lagos State University. You are welcome to our lesson 2 in our course EST 242 Computer Education Method. This week, we'll be looking at the relevance of computer education in our school and its relevance to other subjects or fields. Sit back, you will enjoy this lesson, I'm very sure. I remain your facilitator, Olasunkanmi Gbeleyi. Thank you. I welcome you once again to our course, Computer Science Method. Yes, what are the objectives for this lesson? We have two. And you can see the picture here. You have two at the supermarket here. So our objectives for this lesson is two. Stating the relevance of computer science education in the school and to other fields and the society at large. A tinge of humor, a joke before we start. Look at the computer here. Wanted to eat, is hungry. Yes, and the other in form of a robot is saying yes. Chips, one bite at a time. And since we are all computer students, we know that the computer deals with zeros and one. That's a joke for the lesson today. Now to the topic properly. Yes, the relevance of computer science education in school, like what you have seen on the screen, on the slide. You see the logical thinking, problem solving, and also research a certain subject. Whatever you want, the computer can help us to do all this. Improving science research in the school, it improves our mental ability to think, reason fast, to be able to solve recent problems. Computer in our school that also improves interactivity. Collaboration between the teacher is now more easier. You see, you can send messages to me through my mails. You can also go to the discussion forum and give your own thought about a particular topic. The application of real situation become also easier. There are some things in the past that are difficult to do, like what we do in the chemistry lab, but with computer softwares now, through simulations, we can achieve all this. It also promotes, it promotes active learning in the class. Use of problem solving helps us. Mental engagement are some of these relevance of computer science education in school. It involves activity-oriented things around the classroom, and moreover, the 21st century skills are developed from this subject. Wow, so we can get a lot and a lot of knowledge with computer science education in our school, and it will help our students, it will help the teacher to be able to be compliant with 21st century skills. Now, relevance of computer science education to other fields. Some of the most exciting research and professional opportunity arises from the combination of computer science and other fields, like what we have in biology, environmental science, healthcare, and mathematics. I'm just going to explain few of these. Let me start from that of mathematics. Mathematics and computer science are closely related, if you students will recall, which frequently inform one another. Like an undergraduate student, major in computer science requires, substantial mathematical work. And you know that many students have chosen to combine the study of math and computer through major or minor. So also let us look at in terms of biology, of the field of biology. Biology is technical driven science, as we all know, and it relies on technology for the observation of biological phenomena, and the interpretation of these data are achieved through or from those observations. And we know that with computer science education, the sequence of human genome, for example, would not be possible without the computer to process and analyze massive amounts of genetic data. You agree with me that today genetics and many related subfields of biology rely heavily on computer or computational methods. So on this slide, let's just quickly look at the relationship in terms of healthcare. Many research or many recent medical advances have relied on the aspect of computational science. You will remember that in most of the hospitals, we have image processes and pattern recognition technology are now commonly used to evaluate radiology scan. Even electronic medical records and physical ordering systems are now common online, and that is reducing medical errors and improving quality care. So let us look at that of the relevance to other fields. Yes, okay, we've explained all this in the initial slide, so we'll move quickly to the relevance to the society, and I've listed 6 points which I will explain one or two for you. You see, I mentioned one of the points mentioned here is paving way for more equitable world. Computer science, as you agree with me, can really help level the playing of fields in terms of inexpensive solution through technology. If you also agree with me, as an industry, as an underrepresentation of women and racial minority. According to Gbeleyi 2019, computer science as a tool for societal rebalance. So with this, you can have access from your home, whether you are male or female, and this can remove any form of barrier. Then in terms of furthering our education, can you imagine modern education without computer software or the internet? That would be terrible. Whether you are taking a class online like we are doing, researching for a paper, or sharing work via class, computer science pros has helped make this possible. Let us also talk about the expanding communication. The biggest, to me and to most of our people here, the biggest contribution computer science has made is in the field of communication. Computer science has made the whole world a small place, available at your fingertips. Your mobile phone will do all that you want at a go. So what have we learned today? The relevance of computer science education in our schools and to other fields and the society at large. I hope I'm going to see you in the next class or in the next lesson. If you have any questions, you can forward it to my mail. So from me, Olasunkanmi Gbeleyi, your facilitator, bye for now.